If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your streaming services. How to add TNT to YouTube TV. Are you a fan of thrilling dramas and exciting sports, and you want to add the TNT channel to your YouTube TV lineup? You're in the right place. Let's walk you through how to access TNT on YouTube TV effortlessly. First, it's important to know that TNT is part of the base YouTube TV subscription, so you won't need additional add-ons or packages to get started. To watch TNT, make sure you have an active YouTube TV subscription. If you're not already subscribed, head over to the YouTube TV website or app to sign up. Once you're signed in with your account, navigate to the Live section from the menu or homepage. From here, you can scroll through the channels to find TNT. If you want to organize your viewing experience, you can add TNT to your favorites. To do this, simply select the TNT channel logo and choose the Add to Favorites option. If you're using the YouTube TV app on your mobile device, you can also speak or type TNT into the search bar. This will take you directly to the channel's content, including live broadcasts and featured shows. Additionally, if you're interested in DVR-NG shows, YouTube TV provides unlimited DVR storage. Just click on the plus sign next to any TNT program to add it to your recorded list and watch it whenever you like. Remember, with YouTube TV, you can enjoy TNT content on various devices. Whether you're on the go with your smartphone, relaxing in your living room in front of a smart TV, or catching up on your computer, YouTube TV makes it easy. And that's it. Enjoy all your favorite TNT shows and events hassle-free. Thanks for watching.